Y'all, it has been a whole week, and those cocoon curls lasted maybe 5 hours. I have to figure it out. But what's up, y'all? How y'all doing today? But okay, so I told y'all last week that I wanted to start doing just showing y'all different styles. So that's what I'm going to do. This week, I'm going to do a protective style, a simple protective style. So this video really shouldn't be that long. Simply because Thanksgiving is next week, and I want to make sure that whatever style that I do for Thanksgiving, it's fresh, okay? Fresh, and it's gonna last. So that's why I'm just doing a quick protective style, since my wash days are Saturdays and I record on Saturdays. So that's what I'm going to do. So as you see, my hair is already washed, and I already have my leave-in conditioner in. And I'm not gonna keep y'all, because I said this video wasn't gonna be long, but if I keep talking, it will be. Okay, so anywho, let's get right to it.
So if you've watched my previous video, you know that I've already washed and conditioned my hair, and that I'm going through and removing all of the excess water out of my twist. So once all of my twists are removed and the excess water is out, I'm going to make sure that all of my hair is going in one direction to prepare for my slick back. The gels that I'm using today are the EcoStyler Argan Oil and the Cantu Shea Butter Style and Stay Glue Gel. That gel is amazing. So now I'm just making sure all of my hair is pulled back. And then I'm going to go in and pull out little side hairs for my curly cues. I like how that looks when my hair is pulled back. Then I'm going to go in with the EcoStyler Argan Oil Gel and just apply it around my edges. So I'm taking a soft bristle brush and I'm just brushing my hair to the back. And I'm going to apply extra gel where it's needed. Can we just stop and appreciate how laid down this hair is? Okay, y'all. Now it is time to lay these edges, y'all. So I'm using my Cantu Shea Butter Style and Stay Glue Gel to help me lay my edges. Now that my edges are laid, I'm going to take my mesh wrap cap and place it on my head, and I'm going to sit under the dryer for about 15 minutes. I'm back, y'all. So I have sat under the dryer for about 15 minutes, and I'm going and take my ponytail. For this ponytail, I used 1 pack of Kaniki line braiding hair, and I just used the rubber band that came in the pack and braided the hair down. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the rubber band around my ponytail, and I'm going to take the braid and fluff it out around my ponytail. And once it's fluffed out around my ponytail, I'm going to use bobby pins to secure it in place. One last thing. Now I have to attend to my curly cues. So what I do is I take some gel and place it on my hand and slide it down the hair. And I take the hair and wrap it around the end of my comb and let it sit for maybe about 5 seconds. And then voila, you have some beautiful curly cues.
Okay, Nattie, so what do you think? Like, here's the finished product, you know? I got me like a little Elsa swag going on, but you can call me the Black Elsa, okay? But this is a quick and easy do. Probably took me about 30 minutes. So it could be like, it could be a quick date night hairdo. Okay, because you know your man gonna be like, girl, you fine. It could be a quick, you know, date night hairdo. It could be a quick do where you just like, man, I need to just put something on because I just want to go and look casual, but you don't want to be looking ratchet. It was so quick and easy. So this is my protective style that I will be wearing until probably about Tuesday or Wednesday. I'll probably do my hair Tuesday. Yeah, I'm gonna do it Tuesday. No, I'm gonna do it Wednesday. I'm so indecisive. So guys, I just want to thank you again for watching my YouTube channel. I thank you for all of the subscribers. I thank you for all of the feedback, positive and negative. It can all be used. And I just want to say that whoever's watching this and is going through a tough area in their life right now, I just want to encourage you to trust God. I am currently in a season in my life where God is demanding that I trust him, and he's putting me in situations where I'm forced to trust him. And it's not easy. It's not easy at all, especially with us as humans. We have that tendency of leaning towards distrust because we compare how people treat us to how God would treat us, and he's totally different. And so with that being said, God is really showing me that I have to trust the process. Everything that he has me going through, I'm going through it for a reason. And at the end, I'm going to be this beautiful rose that is just blossomed and just ready to share his goodness with the world. So I want to encourage you today to trust the process and to trust God, because he will never, ever, ever lead you wrong. So again, guys, I just want to say thank you. And I just want to ask one more thing, y'all. Just one more little teeny, eensy, weensy, bitty thing. Can you please like this video and subscribe to my channel? I would greatly appreciate it. Thanks so much, guys. And I hope y'all have a beautiful Thanksgiving. Bye.